LJ Stone had done quite a bit of work for us in our home in Muncie. So when we were ready to do some remodeling here, we called them first.
Everybody's been very nice and cordial and just, want to make sure everything is easy for you.
I think they've been easy to talk with. We've had the same salesperson. We've worked with him for many, many years, and so we feel we know him and can trust him. And others that we've met through LJ Stone have been equally as easy to talk with.
Both the installer and the plumber that we had from LJ Stone were very pleasant, very kind to answer all the questions that we had.
Didn't know that they would be as neat as what they were. They put out floor covering every day. Every day.
Absolutely spotless. They've done a perfect job cleaning up and everything. You would never know they was here outside having a new shower.
Exceptionally clean. I'd hire those guys to clean my house.
It was easy. We let them in, they probably got here about 9 o'clock and they were done by 3.
Oh, that was great. They came and were very good with not making the whole house a mess and laid stuff down and worked efficiently and got it done in a day and a half.
Very friendly, very kind, very courteous. They're just really good people.
If you're thinking about it, there's an issue, go ahead and get them, have them do it for you, because it's going to be better than going to one of the Lowe's or Menards, because it's not going to last you a lifetime.
Well, I think you have to look at what other people have experienced in getting things done. And we had a good experience, and our neighbor had a good experience. So,
I would say to check with LJ Stone. One of the things we found is they are not the cheapest that you can find, but their quality is so high, and you don't have to worry about something going wrong with it down the path. They stand behind their work. We had windows installed at our homes in Muncie, and if ever there was a problem, they came back and took care of it. I think we only had a problem one time with a seal that was loosened or something. Yeah, and they replaced the window. So it was, it's a great company, quality and service-wise. So we would recommend them.
If you want a good job done by some excellent people, you need to call them up and tell them to come out and give you an estimate.